wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ. I'm a shut up selector boy.
So, anyways, I jump on the one and the one Skippa Clues, and this one was requested by. Oh wait, go big up yourself. And we're gonna jump right now and track. This is Skippa Clues. Let's get it. 40K, we're gonna be here.
Show me game, bro.
That's right. The Nero song was definitely fire. We're gonna check out some more from it on the channel and on lives. You feel me?
I couldn't forget it. Every man can play ball, every man can dance, every man can bumbo.
Yeah, all them youth nowadays I left the yard got school, so bro. Look yeah, shirt no button up, short out of pants. All them money are going like say, yeah, I don't feel like. Eh? I don't feel like. I'm just like, bro, at least back in the day we have a decency. After we left the house, we take it out of our pants, or after when we come from school. Bro, we don't look like this a guy at school. We have to neat and
every man can bumbo clutch up. Yeah.
Yeah, man, I can't leave your house, so man. And if you get some lick on there, bumbo clutch. Big man thing. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, this is again. At least, you see me when we growing up, bro, we hide when we left. Go hide and take it out of where I come from. Matter of fact, me don't look like this unless me I come from school. You see, when me I come from school, man, shut the out and me I think, bro, me a youth, no, me love neat and clean, in a brother. I have my little clocks, toothbrush in my bag with me alcohol and them sitting there in a pants well spangy and neat, in a brother. Them youth of us, them chaka and us. All them youth of the pan, man. Nah, man. You walk out like you don't even give a damn. Yeah, I want to box the boy in the face. Boop! And I don't even feel me pitney. I don't tell you what.
Now the game and I move. Yeah. Some see it from the start, some do it from my heart. Never do it for no views. Bro, little boy at the skull start ball on the phone and him get confused.
Man say, see, this is what I'll be talking about. This is what I'll be talking about. Skippa say, man, this man say, man, do it for the heart, he not do it for no views. The man a scam. Is that what I just heard, bro? I'm tripping. I could have swore this man say my scam from the heart, he not scam for no views, bro. Real shit.
Yeah, now the game and I move. Yeah, some see it from the start, some do it from my heart. Never do it for no views. Bro, little boy at the skull start ball on the phone and him get confused.
Yeah, man say, little boy here skull a ball on the phone and get confused. You see me? Man say, me not depend on that, I do it from my heart, brother. You see me skull could have ball. You see me? You see, now I get confused. No shit. Big Dread, big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself. Welcome, my G. Welcome to the live. Hit that like button. You see me? Where they have vibe to sound Skippa Clues. You see me?
But things are chopping, I move, cause him want the fat base with the 20-inch shoes.
Soft, man.
Yeah. Don't leave me now. Yeah. Still in my granny voice talk. She says, Skippa, keep going, don't let me down.
Man say, yo, don't leave me now. Me and my granny voice talk. Skippa don't let me down. So all the granny and depend on this scamming, man. I want to see that. Yeah, the blouse asker. Yo, Big Dread, we doing requested songs, man. So drop your request and I'm going to get to it. You know what I'm saying? We're going to request and we're going to react to your song. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
Be alone from the start and I'm staying high. Dog, them not see me frown. Know you're dead before it happen, but I swear upon my life, them not gonna see me now. See me now. See me. Yeah. Life.
Look who you to buy a cigarette, bro. What the bum buckler you buy a cigarette about, bro? What you are stressed about, my youth? You're in a school, my youth. What the hell you are stressed about? You see me? Although granted, everybody not come from the same home. You know, everybody not fight the same fight. But bro, what the fuck you are stressed about? That's all you to buy a whole pack of cigarette. You see me? Even when me in high school, me see that some of my brethren them a beat cigarette, you know, before. I'm like, bro, what the fuck y'all got going on, kid? You feel me? I'm about cigarette. Ah, dog, like, you know, some old man that says, oh, dog, like, you know what I'm saying? You tripping.
Get harder, temper get shorter. Going from a goal, but me no so much. For rich age, we have time for your son or a daughter. Bucket dashing I go, but me want to go faster. Sometimes I feel like a dead man. Even like how the place where I come from, no cap, no, and I'm a thing, some weird time can't
easy.
Link up on the block if you know.
Man said sometimes I feel like a dead man. That's crazy. You see me don't even like the place where I come from. No capping on me things some weird time. Skip on a easy, you know that boy. Yo. Where's Skippa from, guys? Let me know. Where you from? Spain? You see me? Alright, where you from? You see me now and try to You know, see me, speaking about place and them thing, but where is he from, guys? Let me know. You feel me? Drop in the comment section, put me on.
And name Bob. I'm with myself to calm down. She said for use my but she
man.
know me now have none.
Grandma,
Jumping
then
like my
RIP
stack
to
of
his
phones,
grandma,
still the money
RIP to his
can't
grandma.
dull. Me jumping on my skull account, bro, I know the password. Yeah. But I must win another day, another fight. Now we do it. See, I said it not be here, boy, them can't stop him. Throw me out now the deep, they never know me can't.
Easy now, boy. Easy now, man. You see the napier boy, then can't stop him. You see me? Throw me out in the deep end, then you know so me could have swim. Pussy then things said they are dead. But no, dog, swim back. I'm told you.
Me can't fly too. Yeah, right, so them soon start fighting. My granny done tell me everybody not go like him. I pop two perk, my chase you with night. Make skull lose weight, bro, something like life. But me see them right, that's about me dopey there beside. Random to Clyde more while I'm a high. If thanks see fraud, yeah, me glad so me find you.
Blood clot. You see me, dog? The man say give thanks for the fraud. I'm glad to me find it. You see me, I say. Yo, that's why, you know what I'm saying? Man, yo, I told you, bro, Skippa shit be sound like he be, you know what I'm saying? He dog dwelling at the fraud for real, no joke.
Life get harder, temper get shorter. Going from a goal, but me no so man. For each age, we have time for your son or a daughter. Bucket dashing I go, but me want to go faster. Sometimes I feel like a dead man.
Man saying Bucky dashing at the coop, but he want to go fat nigga. The nigga buck, bro, ain't no faster, man, G. You feel me? You gotta put in an even faster engine and then change out the cluster and everything. Once I'm about the dashing at the coupe, but I want to go faster. Then when I live fast life, you know.
Even like how the place where I come from, no cap, knowing I'm a thing, some weird time can't link up on the block if you no name Bob.
That's a billionaire boys club Tom the nigga got on. You feel me? So don't feel say dog Tom cheap. It is a Montclair, one of them. I didn't look at the logo properly, you know.
Temper get shorter, going from a goal, but me no so man. For each age, we have time for your son or a daughter. Bucket dashing I go, but I want to go faster. Sometimes I feel like a dead man. Even like how the place where I come from, no cap, knowing I'm a thing, some weird time can't link up on the block if you no name Bob.
Easy, no? Can't link up on the block if you no name Bob. You see me, if you know this scam, if you're not big grabber like Bob, can't link on the block, my youth. To you. Guys, make sure y'all tap the like button, man. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all for joining with your boy. You see me? We there vibe out. You see me? We are chill. You see me? We are listening to some bad blood clay tune. You see me? From all over the world and the Caribbean. You see me? That mafia there. You see me? I say? Big up on the damn self. I appreciate all y'all, man. No joke. We vibing. This fun. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I enjoyed it. All the songs them we reacted so far. I've been enjoying. No cap.